Alright, hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm doing an oil change on the GTI. Just wanted to show you real quick because a lot of people probably don't know how to do it or they got questions. So just doing it. I'm using a Castro Edge 5W40. It's for our cars. Like you see right here. Sorry. BMW, Mercedes, Porsche. That's V-Dub. And then I got this oil filter in the store. I think I bought it from O'Reilly's. Yeah, I already started. I just wanted to film it. DJ, don't touch. That's my son right there. Yeah, no touch. All right, so first thing you want to do, move, DJ. Move. There you go. Yeah, hey, first thing you want to do is jack up the car. You got to find the jack point, which in this car is here, right there. Hopefully you can see that. And then second thing you want to do is get an oil pan. I don't know if you can see the oil. You see the oil pan, and that's to drop the oil in. And the weird thing on this car, it's a torque spit. It's not a regular, the regular thing, the regular freaking bolt you screw off. So it's kind of weird. So I didn't know that, and I had to find the bolt, and that's what I'm doing now. I mean, find the torques that it go to. That's what I'm doing now. So yeah, and then next. Okay, so I found the torque bit. It's actually, well, for me, it's Torx. I don't know if I can see that. T40. And it's right here. I already loosened it some. So, I can see it. You just put it on there, twist lefty loosey. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Remember that when you're working on cars. Because it's always the same. And oh snap it. You want to make sure you're, I don't know, is it focused? I don't know if it's focused. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yep, that's it. That's it right here. Let me see if I can show y'all. Y'all can see the oil. Leave it from it a little bit. See how it's a Torx and not a regular bolt. So yeah, I see that. So yep, you need the T40, and I already got it loose, and I just gotta twist it off. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So yep. So you take it out, and then voila, oil pours like it ain't nobody's business. And when it fills up, then you're done. Then you put it back in and start all over. I mean, you put it back in reverse, but I'll show you guys. Okay, so after the oil, you take off the filter. I had to go buy one of these things, the oil filter remover thing. I didn't have one, but it's easy, self-explanatory. So, like I said, lefty loosey, everything. So, put it in. See, it's moving. It's moving. And then you just, yeah, you can play outside. And then you just twist. I mean, sometimes you don't need this, but I needed it. For some reason, mine was on hella tight. So, yep. Let's see, we should be able to move this and just twist it. Yep, twist it. Keep twisting. And at the end, you keep twisting, it's gonna come off. Twist. Oh, heavy. See, came off. Boom, right there. Alright. You want to dispose of this right. I'm not leaving it right there. I'm about to get the other one. and put it in there. Put that one in the box that one came out. Oops, that one came out of. That way it's no mess. About it. Put this one on. So to put it on, I don't think you need to put the I don't think you need the adjust this. To put it on, you just put it in the hole, twist to the right. Keep twisting till you feel it get tighter. And you just want it hand tight. Alright, it's hand tight. So I would give it one good twist with this. Maybe two. Alright, two. And boom, there we go. So now we're gonna put the torque spit back on here, and then screw the hole back in underneath. Oh, don't forget to remove this. And then I took off my my cap. Alright, you just put it back. And if you need help taking off the cap, the plate, you just pop it up. Alright, put this back on. Oh. Boom, there we go. Oh, I guess ain't that, but yep, there we go. Okay, so I didn't show putting the screw back on. Like, obviously, once the oil is all out, you put the screw back on, same way you took it off. Obviously you go the opposite way, but you screw it back on. And then next, you just refill the oil. And then that's it. Then you're done. Usually when you discard your oil, your dirty oil, you pour it in the bottle it came out of. And then just take the bottle to O'Reilly's or get it exposed properly, because you don't want to have it be, polluting the wherever you're at. So yep. So now you guys know how to do the oil change if you didn't, and now you know how to do it on the GTI if you didn't. And yeah, that's it. So until next time, peace.